welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing video for you because you guys requested these unboxings. This is the FabFitFun Box that I can barely keep in the frame, but this is a quarterly seasonal subscription box service, and these unboxings are floating all over YouTube with a bunch of sponsored people doing unboxings. And one time I mentioned to you guys about this thing and said, do you still want to see me do it? And you all said yes, even though they're all over YouTube. So I will do my honest to goodness, completely unsponsored unboxing of the FabFitFun box. Now, I'm going to be honest with you in saying that FabFitFun was originally, I avoided FabFitFun for the longest time because I got tired of seeing all of their advertisements all around, them paying for ads, blah, 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 blah. I don't know. I'm very much turned off by stuff like that, if I'm being completely honest with you. And eventually I decided to cave and try it. And I kid you not, it's my favorite subscription box in the world. I am so mad that I haven't been doing this for years and years because it is so worth the money 10 times over. And unless they do something incredibly wrong, I will be a FabFitFun subscription person forever. So that honesty being said, what you need to know about the subscription box is this box is $49.99, also known as $50, once a quarter. You can do that as a monthly or once a quarter when the box gets ready to come out billing option, or you can become an annual member, and that is $179.99, also known as $180, but that gives you $20 off the full year and you pay in one lump sum. But it also gets you a bunch of other benefits like choosing some of the products that you have in your box. I am an annual member. I do not regret forking over that much money right off the bat because there are so many good reasons to be an annual member to the subscription box. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through my box, tell you what the options were. What I chose obviously is what's in the box, and other things that I did not choose but could have been your options if you are an annual subscription member. So we're just going to walk on through this box, but first I actually have to tell you the even cooler thing about FabFitFun. Swear to you, not sponsored, swear. They have no idea I'm making this video, but they have these sales, they're called like edit sales or whatever it is, where they get big brand, name brand stuff, and they can sell it to only their members. You have to be a FabFitFun subscriber, but you get access to these sales and you can buy incredibly expensive things for not incredibly expensive. So, for example, hang on. Okay, so I picked up a handful of other items. The box that I got in the mail was huge because I purchased like $100 more worth of stuff to go in, to ship with my box because of these sales, which sounds ridiculous, but it was a lot of stuff, including this. So this Murad cream, this is the Murad Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisturizer. This jar is $75. Not joking. Go on Sephora right now. This size, this jar, $75. Guess how much I paid for this jar because of the FabFitFun membership? $19 for the $75 moisturizer. I bought two. That is one of the main reasons. Like, okay, it is the main reason that I pay to be a FabFitFun subscriber. I got a couple of extra supplements. I got 2 of these, and I got a Murad like facial set that retails for like $60 for $20, like out of control. Okay, so that being said, that is a huge perk to being a FabFitFun member. $19 for the $75 moisturizer. Now, let's dive into the winter box, shall we? So I am basically calling this box the FabFitFun Beauty Box because it just so happened that all of my stuff is basically beauty related, which I think is awesome because I love me some beauty products. So this is what the box looks like inside for me. And the first thing you get is actually this nifty little magazine, which has all sorts of different articles and stuff in it. But more importantly, it has the list of products that are in the box in here. So we're going to be referencing this as we go through the actual box. So the first thing, and the thing that I'm least excited about in the whole box, is this. This is the Mark & Graham Color Block Throw in Gray Ivory. Now, if you were an annual member, you can choose between the 2 colors that were offered for this thing. I chose the white ombre one. I mean, it's really soft and it actually feels like it's really light. I have to unroll it and see how it feels, but this is a nice home item, especially for winter time to cozy up under, but this is, to me, the least exciting thing in the box. However, no matter how exciting it is, the fact is it retails for $49. What you pay for the box is $49.99. So boom, here's the value of your box in the first item. The next item in my box is the Moroccan Gold Series Treatment Hair Mask. And anytime I get the opportunity to get a Moroccan oil hair mask, I do, because this is what I use exclusively as my deep conditioner. Now, I've never used the gold one, and I actually got this in another subscription box, like, or as a bonus or something. I have another one of these that I still haven't opened because I'm using the regular one in my shower right now, and I only do it like once or twice a week, so it lasts forever. This mask, the Gold Series mask, also retails for $49. So I've got myself a blanket and I've got myself a hair mask. So according to the magazine, you either had the option to choose the mask or you got the chance to choose a winter headband and glove set. I chose the mask. The next item is the Thrive Causemetics Brilliant Eye Brightener in Stella. This has a retail value of $24. It says it's infused with macadamia and meadow foam oil. It's a silky champagne brightener to highlight and brighten your eyes. Every box got one of these. Every box also got this, which is by the brand Blaq, B-L-A-Q. They're hydrogel eye masks with hyaluronic acid. This retails for $29. So it is a set of 5 gel masks. I will be popping these in my refrigerator because I love to put eye masks in my fridge. And then when I have a special occasion or something, I will put on an eye mask, and the gel is really cold and it helps depuff and brighten my eyes for the evening ahead. So these are just a nice little thing, and every box got one of these, so I didn't even have to choose these, which I was all about that. Those were $29. Did I say that? Those were $29. The next item in my FabFitFun box was the Sherry Matthews Acupuncture Jade Stone Roller. Now this thing has a retail value of $45. Is it worth $45? I have no freaking idea. Here's what I do know. I had a Jade Roller that I actually think I got in a different FabFitFun box or as an add-on for really cheap or something like that. So this might actually be the exact same product. I don't know. But I broke it. I used it so hard that the little end fell off. Whatever. It's fine. So when this was a select item where we could choose what we got, either the Pure Be Your Selfie palette, the Jade Roller, or a pair of socks, I opted for the Jade Roller simply because I needed another one. I don't know if this actually does anything for your skin. I honestly have no idea. What I do know is this: it feels really good. End of story. The stone on it stays cool, by however black magic that happens, but it stays cool. So what I like to do, if I'm really doing my skincare, my self-care right, I will put on, say I'll wash my face, put on a toner, and I'll put on my serum. Once I smear it around, I'll take the Jade Roller and I'll spend a minute rolling it on my face, and it feels really cooling and nice, and I like to think that it is massaging my serum in deeper than it would have been if I just patted it on my skin. And it's 60 seconds of a little extra self-care. And then if it has the smaller end, I can do that under my eyes, feel like I'm really getting my eye cream in there. Does it actually work? No freaking idea, but I really like the concept. The next item in my box is something that you can choose between this and something else only if you are an annual member, and I chose the Anthropologie and Marisea Coconut Sugar Sea Whip Body Cream. First of all, look at this packaging. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I can't handle it. It's a body butter and it's great. I did open it and use it. Now, my one beef with this, and it's such a me beef to have with this. My one beef with this is this smells like summer, and this is a winter subscription box. Why the heck don't I have some like cinnamon, vanilla, warm, woodsy, Christmassy smelling thing instead of this beautiful smelling, but still summer smelling lotion? Save this for the summer box, man. But fact of the matter is, the other option was an essential oils set of orange and eucalyptus oil. I have those oils already, so I don't need them. You always run out and need more body cream, so I opted for this. The retail value is $24. I'm saving the best items for last, you guys. This is an item that came in everybody's subscription box. This is the Ahava Hydration Cream Mask. This is a mask that's kind of like a lotion that you put on your face, and you can either leave it on for 5 minutes for a nice boost of hydration and then wipe it off, or the little magazine says you can actually leave it on for an overnight sleeping mask. So if you wanted to use this, put it on as like your moisturizer overnight and really let it sink in, you could. Now I love that this is a part of the winter box because during the winter, my skin gets so dry and cracked and looks terrible with makeup on. So any extra hydrating things that I can use for it, the better. So the fact that they sent this is absolutely wonderful. Brilliant job, FabFitFun. This retails for $33. Are you catching the price points of all of these things? And it's not even like, oh, this is like the boosted retail price to make you sound like you're getting value. No. If you go to Ulta or Sephora for any of the beauty items listed here, the price listed here is what you have to pay in the store. Like I said, that $75 moisturizer that I got for $19 is actually $75. Outrageous. So the value of this box is just creeping up exponentially with every item I pull, and the next item will continue to do that. This was an item that everybody had the chance to choose between, and the other items were a jewelry portfolio or a circle necklace or this. This is the Oribe Gold Lust Dry Shampoo. Oribe is a brand that is so stinking popular and so widely loved, and I just don't own any of it, and I felt like I needed to. So, let's see. Woo! Doesn't really smell like anything. I don't really need to spray my hair with this, but it's supposed to be a really good dry shampoo. It sprays really easily, which is nice, and, are you ready? The retail price of this dry shampoo is $44. I mean, how crazy is that? So, I don't know what it's actually going to do. It says, it's so easy to achieve. Oh, there is a smell. It just took a second. It smells really nice. It smells clean. Okay, I like this. This is good. I actually really do like that smell. It smells a little hair salon-like, but it's actually a nice fresh smell. Use this sulfate-free dry shampoo to absorb product buildup, oil, and impurities while soothing the scalp and restoring strength and softness. Retail price $44. Super thankful to have this. And then the last item in my box, which was a select member choice. So you only had the option of picking this and guaranteeing that you had this if you were an annual member. And I picked this in a heartbeat. I didn't even have to think about it between this and the other options. And this is the Bite Beauty, full size Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche lipstick in Meringue. Look at that color. Look at that. That is gorgeous. I am so excited. These are very high quality lipsticks. Bite Beauty is a brand that I know and I trust. And I have like 3 different Amuse Bouche lipsticks in different colors, and they're wonderful. They're absolutely wonderful. So the fact that I got this in my box, retail value of $26. It's not a cheap lipstick either. I mean, come on now. Really? So I'm so thankful to have this, and I'm so thankful to have everything in my box. I love my box this season. It is such a good box. So to recap, we have the lipstick for $26, right? The eye brightener highlighter thing by Thrive Causemetics for $24. The Ahava hydration mask for $33. The Oribe dry shampoo for $44. Cozy plush throw thing for $49. The Moroccan Gold Series hair mask for $49. The set of 5 under eye gel eye masks for $29. The ridiculously overpriced Jade Roller at $45. And the coconut sugar smells great, is high quality, but should be in a summer box, not a winter box, body butter for $24. The value of the box is crazy, and like I said, because I'm an annual member, I paid $180 for the 4 boxes, which means $45 per box. Ridiculously good value that is covered in the first item I pulled out, and it's like everything else was free. How freaking cool is that? So I really truly love FabFitFun, and they honestly nailed it for me this month. Let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about the items in this box. Would this be a box that is exciting for you to get? or less so. Now, I wanted to let you guys know, full disclosure, this is a referral link, but if you guys want to join FabFitFun and get $10 off your first box, meaning it would be $39.99 instead of $49.99, you can use my referral link, which is down below. I do get $15 of kickback to use in the store if you decide to sign up using my link. So for that, I thank you, because oh my gosh, guys, I spend so much money in that store. It's ridiculous, because it is so worth spending the money in that store. It is, oh my gosh, I can't even handle it. And they have an edit sale that's going to be launching on December 26th, which is like their next round of, here's this deeply discounted stash of stuff, wipe it before it's all gone. And I'm going to be at that sale on December 26th. And if you want to be a part of that sale too, you gotta sign up. So why not use my link down below? And that is everything about my FabFitFun Box for winter 2018. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see everything else that this winter season has to offer, aka Vlogmas, then make sure you hit the little subscribe button down there, because I am uploading new things all the time and I don't want you to miss a thing. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch. Take care. I hope you are well and enjoying your winter season, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!